Do your apps keep freezing on your Android phone? Do your apps keep freezing on your Android phone?
Maybe you need more connections.
Stop turning off your Wi-Fi to get a better connection. There's nothing more annoying than buffering, dropped video calls, videos taking forever to load, and messages not sending. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix poor connection problems and slow internet on your Android device. Now, unless your phone is really old or damaged, it's probably not an issue with the phone itself, but rather it's your network. It could be your Wi-Fi that's bad, or your cellular, or both. Or you could just be at the edge of the range. Either way, there's a fix. Not many people know that you can actually combine your Wi-Fi and your cellular together to make them stronger and faster. The Speedify app allows you to combine multiple internet connections at once. Speedify not only merges your internet connections, but it also detects when one of them is weak. Then it seamlessly transfers all your traffic onto the stronger connection. So your connection will never drop out. This advanced technology is called channel bonding. Speedify is also a powerful VPN, or virtual private network, that encrypts all your app and web activity to prevent hackers, even your own internet service provider, from snooping in on what you're doing online. This means that Speedify can also unblock apps and websites on networks where they may be restricted, like school or office Wi-Fi. And if you're traveling with friends or family trying to stay connected somewhere where the signal is really bad, like a train or a hotel or a convention or even a music festival, you can actually combine multiple mobile hotspots together to create one stronger, more stable connection for everyone using Speedify's pair and share feature. All you need to do is connect everyone to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot, download Speedify for free on all your devices, and pair phones in the Speedify app to share cellular with each other wirelessly. So if you're tired of connection issues on your Android phone, you know what to do. Just download Speedify today from the Google Play Store and enjoy a better, faster, more stable and secure internet. If you liked this, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips just like this.